Hi, welcome to B's Jamaican Delights. I'm about to prepare some oxtail. The first thing I do was to clean the oxtail with lime juice and vinegar and marinate it overnight to absorb the flavor. And now if you want to know the seasoning that I use, it's gonna be in the videos. Okay, now I'm going to fry the oxtail to give it some flavor, some color. So while it's browning, you stay there and watch it so it doesn't get burned. You continue to turn it over and over to get the color. Now the oxtail is finished frying to how I want it, and I'm transferring it to another pot, and I'm gonna add some water to it so it could cook tender. Okay, everyone, I'm checking on the oxtail just to make sure the water is not dried out, because if the water dried out, your oxtail could get burned and you don't want it to burn. So you pour a little more water and you cover it back, but keep checking. The oxtail been cooking for about an hour. So I'm gonna add the sweet pepper, tomato and onion to give it that extra flavor. And it's gonna cook for a little while. Finish up. Finishing touch. Now everyone, the oxtail is finished cooking, and I'm having some with some rice, and it's very delicious. I would appreciate it if you share this with your friends and family. Thank you.